Hi, welcome back to the tutorial. So in this video I'll be covering about typecasting concepts in Python. Okay, so what is meant by typecasting? It is a process of converting data of one type to another type, like converting the integer data type to float or integer data type to string. Basically we call this process of conversion as typecasting or type conversion. Okay, so it is supported in other languages as well. It is there in C++ or Java. So here in Python we have two types of typecasting, like we call one thing as implicit and another thing is explicit. In implicit typecasting, Python will automatically convert data type from one data type to another data type. For example, here we are adding data types, values of two different data types, right? So here 10 is integer and 2.2 is float. So these two values are added and final output is going to be float. Okay. So this conversion is automatically taken care by Python interpreter. So we call this type of conversion as implicit type conversion or typecasting. And there is another type is like explicit typecasting. In this case, the user has to explicitly call some function like str, int or float. So these are built-in functions. The user has to call this function to do the conversion explicitly. Okay, so let's go to a program and see like how the implicit and explicit conversions are happening. Okay, so let's take the addition example. So here we have x equal to 1 and y equal to, let's say, some complex number. Let's take some complex number 10 plus 2j. So I have explained about how to define a complex number in the previous video. So you can go through that video in case if you are not aware about complex numbers in Python. Okay, let's say first print the values, I mean the type of x and y. Okay, so x type of x and then print y and then type of y, then I'm adding the final result, storing the final output to the variable is that x plus y, and I'm printing the value as well as the type. Let me execute this. See, you can see the first number, right? X equal to 1. So this is of integer class, and second one is of complex class, and the final output is that is of complex class. So here the conversion is taken care by Python. So we call this as implicit conversion. Let's see an example for explicit conversion. You know how to define a string, right? Let me define a string. S equal to hello world. Okay, and I want to append the year to this string. Okay, I am defining as 2024. If I try to combine these two, so here if you use plus for integer, it will behave like addition operator, but if you use x for string, it will behave like append operator, like string concatenation. Okay, so it will concatenate two string, but if you use plus for integer and string, it will throw some error. Let's see what is that error. See, because both data types should be of same. If you try to use the plus operator for different data type, you will face this error. Either you have to convert string to integer or integer to string, but if you convert string to integer, it will not be meaningful here, but I can convert this integer to string. Let's do that using this default built-in function str. Okay, now this error will go. See, hello world 2024. Okay, so in this way we have to typecast the data types explicitly. So this is an example for explicit typecasting. Okay, this is just an example, but we will see more use cases maybe in the later videos. Okay, that's all about the typecasting concept. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you.